we are having National Award winning film festival from 25th May to 7th June. All the National Award winning films will be screened during this period. There are altogether 23 films which will be screened in almost 13 languages. The opening of this festival will be held on 25th May, that is Friday, at Macanese Palace, and will be screening Kachcha Limbu and Pausacha Nibandh. That's a non-feature film, Pausacha Nibandh, that is around 25 minutes duration, and Kachcha Limbu around 2 hours. And directors of both the film, feature and non-feature film, that is Kachcha Limbu director is Prasad Oak, and non-feature film Pausacha Nibandh director Nagraj Manjude. He's a well-known person again, who made Sairat, Fandry. Yeah, he is going to be there. Okay, and both of them will be present for the Q&A after the screening. Closing will be on 7th June, and film Village Rockstar, which is rocking everywhere at present. So Village Rockstar will be screened, and the director, Mrs. Rima Das, will be present during the screening and for the question and answer. The list of the films is given to you, and the schedule already is there, and there are altogether 4 Malayalam films, 3 Hindi, 3 Marathi, 2 Assamese, 2 Bengali, and 1 each from Jazari, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Kannada, Ladakhi, Tulu, and 2 non-feature films we are going to screen during this festival. This is open for all, including cinephile members, on first come first serve basis. This is the activity what we started from last year, Cinephile and Entertainment Society of Goa and Director of Film Festival. And we intend to continue this activity in coming years. So request to all the film fraternity of Goa, because this is the time you get an opportunity to see films around the country, what types of films are made and what types of films gets national awards. So that will help the film fraternity and Goan film industry to grow. So I appeal to all film fraternity and all the young talents from Goa to attend this festival. And there is a schedule, there is one screening every day. Only on Saturday and Sunday we have 3 screenings, that is at morning 11 o'clock, evening 5 o'clock and 7:30. That is on Saturday and Sunday. The regular days there is screening at 6:30.